Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug the phone into the laptop and enable USB debugging so the systems can talk. Once done, install the Android Keyboard APK or the official keyboard app from Play Store. Make sure the laptop has ADB tools if sideloading. You do this now because direct connection simplifies setup. While installing, confirm the phone's screen lock is temporarily disabled and that the laptop recognizes the device. Once the app and tools are installed, establish the input bridge. You run ADB forward or open the keyboard's desktop client, then accept the connection on the phone. This grants input permission. Make sure to set the Android keyboard as the active input method within the app, and on the phone, this routes keystrokes. If the desktop client offers key mapping, customize modifiers now so common shortcuts match your laptop. This ensures typing feels native and reliable. To finish, test typing in a simple editor and tweak latency or sensitivity settings until response feels right. Switch to wireless mode over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if you prefer no cables. Make sure both devices are on the same network. If input stops, restart the keyboard app on both devices, reauthorize ADB, and toggle USB mode. This often restores the bridge. If problems persist, check permissions and update drivers. That single restart usually fixes most connection hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.